Hey guys, fry natin yung bacon. Gagawa ko ng bacon with cabbage for today's recipe. Then maglagay tayo ng garlic panlaban sa mga suwang. Tapos yung onion. Okay. Then lagyan natin ng little bit of ground pork. Okay. Then mix it. And then salt and black pepper. There you go. Then 1 tablespoon of chili paste para may konting kick. Then lagay na natin yung cabbage. Too much. And then, lagyan natin ng konting tubig. Takpan natin. Palambutin natin ng konti yung cabbage. Then, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon of sugar para mayroong konting tamis. Okay, then mix it again. Then, lagyan natin ng konting little bit of yum. Tapos, mix it. This is my healthy recipe with cabbage. And then, guys, lagyan natin ng scallion. Tapos na to. This is already cooked. And then, lagyan ko ng little bit of sesame seed. Okay, look. Delicious. Okay guys, tapos na yung cabbage with bacon, chili paste, saka scallion and sesame seed. So, let's eat. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.